Hi everyone, it's Catherine back with another video. Just a very quick one today. Today's my birthday of all days, so I just wanted to share with you the thing that I bought myself for my birthday with the money that my parents sent to me. So here goes. I've been eyeing this up for quite a while and the timing just seemed absolutely spot on. ASOS had 20% off last week, and with getting birthday money as well, it was just perfect. And I got this. It's a two-faced eyeshadow palette. You know how I like my eyeshadow palettes. I've seen quite a few people doing makeup looks with this and I quite like the look of it. So first impressions is it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but size isn't everything, as they say. So I'll just give you a quick show of the colours that are in this palette and then we'll go through them all. So we've got a mixture, I think. Well, this is the description. Cuddle up with these warm, luxurious colours and slip into the sexiest version of yourself with shadows inspired by cuddles from your softest teddy bear. These sensual shades were formulated to feel smooth and buttery against your skin, while they deliver high impact, seductive colour for looks that range from barely there to positively sexy. So it's going to be a real big test of it on me. Will it go on smooth and buttery on my really old and aged skin? So let's take it out of the box and see what the actual product looks like. They never make these things easy to get into. So there we are. As you can see, it's quite cute, I suppose, if you like teddy bears. And I think the hint here is bear spelled like that. I think it's hinting that it's sort of nude, neutral colours that's inside. Let's open it up. So it's quite small. The snuggle is real, fur real, teddy bear, pot of honey, embarrassed, lace teddy, and boop. And on the bottom now, sharing is caring, stuffed, press pause, fuzzy wuzzy, gild a bear, mama bear, and bear it all. So very sort of cheesy, punny type names for these. So I'll do some swatches. So this one is the snuggle is real and fur real. And now fur real. And this one's quite glittery, shimmery, metallic-y. So next up is teddy bear, pot of honey. This one looks like another metallic-y Then we've got Embarrassed. Then Lace Teddy. And this one's got sort of speckles of colours in it. And the final one on that top row is Boop. Makes me think of Betty Boop. And there we have it, that's the top layer. And the bottom layer. So we will start with Berry Tall. So I'll do this on the other arm. Pop it down there for now. So this is Berry Tall. Next up we've got Mama Bear, which is this one. Then we've got Gilda Bear, which I think is a pun on Build-A-Bear, isn't it? And then we've got Fuzzy Wuzzy. Makes me think of Fuzzy Bear from the Muppets. Then we have got Press Pause, and pause is spelt P-A-W-S. Stuffed. And the last one, which is this big one with the teddy bear face, which I think it looks a bit like a pig, but it is a teddy. Sharing is caring. And there we have it. They're all pretty similar. There's nothing really that stands out amongst all of those ones. Maybe this one here. Now, decisions. What should I use on my eyes? I've done my face. I've done some very bad eyeliner. I've been trying out doing a winged eyeliner. I've never ever been able to do that successfully, so just giving it a try, because if you don't try you never learn how to do things. So let's start with the crease, and I think I'm going to go in with this one. It looks a lot lighter on the camera than it does actually in real life. So I'm just going to grab me a brush and start applying thingy a bit onto the brush. Tap it to remove the excess.
1, 2, 3, I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you, I just worry about me. So you better run, you don't know what I mean. Take it down in 1, 2, 3, phone is buzzing up, beep, beep. I don't care about you, I just care about me. So you better run. Take your pretty outfit and go, show yourself right.
Just do a bit more.
Before I lose my control. Grass is always greener, you know.
Okay, so that's that done. I will blend it all afterwards. Now I'm going to take a lighter colour on the whole of the lid. I think I use this one, which is Gilda Bear. This is where I'm hoping it will soften the horrible eyeliner that I've done. choose something for sort of like the outer bit of the lid. So let's give a boop to boop. I watch a channel called Channel Makers, and if you haven't watched that before, it's a guy called Nate, and he has the most amazing curly hair, and that's his saying, give the like button a boop, or boop the like button. I can't remember which way around he says it. He should have tons more subscribers than what he does have. Let's do something on the centre of the lid. I'm going to use one of these metallic ones, why the heck not, it's my birthday and all that. What's that one called? Press pause. I'm just going to use my finger for this one. Now I need something under the lashes, I think, because I've got the eyeliner on top. That's that bit done. I'm just going to put a tiny little bit of Bare It All in the corners. I'm just going to blend it all a bit.
Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run, run. You don't know what I mean.
I'm just going to put a bit of mascara on, do something with my hair. I did my roots last night. They were getting really, they were up to about, well, you can probably see where they were up to about there. Yeah, I did them while I was just watching the end of the tennis, the young British player that won the US Open yesterday. And this is what it looks like with the mascara on as well. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Would I be full priced happy with it? Probably not really, because I'm really watching and counting the pennies at the moment, so it is quite small for the price. Would I have bought it if it wasn't 20% off? Probably not. Would I have bought it if I hadn't got birthday money? Probably not. Would I buy it if I had plenty of money? Yes. So it's not a bad palette. I like it. I like the colours in it, and I quite like how what I've done with it now has turned out. I'm quite happy. I'd be quite happy going out looking like this. So yeah, it's worth, but if you can afford it, it's worth buying. If you can't afford it, fine. There's other things out there that's probably very similar colours, similar performance. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to, and then when you've done that, turn on, and I will see you next time very soon. In the meantime, don't forget to check out other videos that I've done. I've done quite a few similar ones, reviewing a few different palettes, like some of the Urban Decay Naked palettes, which are, I suppose, a similar sort of thing to this one. So I will see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.